Oh no! Give me a second, guys. Alright, I'm back. We're good. Alrighty, chat, let's go. Come on, we got this. Yeah. Oh, right there. Look. Look, chat. No. Oh, right there. Oh, nice. Nice! We ready? Hoppa! What? Knock! Knock! Hey! It's fine! I'm a friend! Chat, a friend! I have a whoa! But come back! I just wanted a friend, please! I'm not here to kill you! Hurry! Come back! I have to drop it, chat. I have to drop it! Okay. Come back! Hey! Back! Whoa! Guys? Oh, what is this? What the hell is this? Please don't move. Please don't move. Wait, please wait. Tetsani Briscoe and Luca Kaneshiro showdown. I've got you, Luca. Really? Bug! Get over here, mate. Get over here. What are you doing, senpai? Senpai! Luca senpai! What are you trying to do to me? Get over here! What's this? Press to be hoisted? Oh. Oh no! Teamwork? Are you kidding me? Chat, are you serious? Oh, I can drag them. Oh man, teamwork. God. Chat, I hate teamwork. Come on, hurry. Why do I hate it? One time, you know, there's a reason why I hate teamwork, okay? One time I had a, I had a school project, right? I had a school project, chat, and then what happened was, you know, there was four of us in the project. But wanna know what happened? two of the guys in my group just didn't do anything. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Didn't contribute anything. Didn't have anything to add. Didn't even do anything in the work. So I had to like rush it. I was mad. I was really mad. I was really mad. Now do you understand why I hate teamwork? I don't trust someone. I don't trust them. When I was doing my major, chat, I had to do a lot of teamwork. A lot of it, guys. A lot of teamwork. Right, I'll be right back, chat. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna go grab some food. I am hungry. I haven't had like lunch today, so I think it's good to just take a break for like 2 minutes. I'm gonna go grab something. Ready? Right, I'm gonna grab something. Don't you go anywhere. I swear to God, don't you go anywhere. Don't you go anywhere, mate. Don't go anywhere, mate. I swear to God, chat. I swear to God. It's gonna sleep just for a little bit. Right? Okay? I'll be back. Oh. I'm eating, guys. I'm eating Pog, but I have this green thing in my little sandwich. What is this? A circle green thing. What is this, chat? It's kind of yucky. Oh, cucumber, yuck! Chat, cucumbers kind of, I don't know, they taste... Oh, do they have a taste? Oh. Yeah, they taste like water, but they're kind of solid. It's weird. Oh my God, there's another one! Yuck! Yuck! Guys, I am so hungry. Wow. I'm so hungry. Anyways, chat, are you enjoying the game so far? It's been pretty fun, right? We're at 298k, 2,000 more, and we'll reach 300k. We're almost there. Oh. Boss, you have purple in your hair? No, I don't. Hold on, give me a second. Let me show you, okay? Let me show you. There it is. Hey, hold on. I can change it. Look, I can be green. Ready? I can be red. I can be red. I can be blue. I can be violet sky. Yeah. It's just the background. I made it purple because, you know, purple eyes. I think it'd be nice. God, opening the dog is a little too. Hey guys, I'm done. I'm dumb. You eating too fast? Well, I have to. We have to keep playing, you know? No! Chad! I got some juice on my clothes. Hold on, I need to change real quick. No! Well, I'll be right back. 92! Chad! Here we go, 94! Yes! Bill, thank you so much! Oh my, we did 300k! Oh my god, the super chats! Why? Mama! Ayane! What the fuck? Chad! Oh god, calm down. Guys, please!